video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button or that notification bell, what you waiting on? Go ahead and do that. Show your girl some love. Become part of the fam. Get notified whenever I make a new upload. Okay? Now, let's get into this video.
I'm going to take some Miss Argan leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to spray that all over my hair and focus mostly on my ends. I take the Pantene buttercream, or hydrating buttercream, and this is good. This helps me lock in the moisture into my hair because my hair is relaxed. So, I just go all over my hair with that. Mind you, everything I'm using is either an oil or very hydrating or something that locks in oil. The only thing that probably won't be that way is either the gel or the Edge Control that I use. So, and you can find all these things at your local CVS, Target, Walmart. It's not hard to find this stuff. I try to keep my hair products local so I could just pop in if I need to get something extra. If I run out, it's right there. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this the name is off of it. I guess this is a I think this is Conair. And I take my paddle brush and I just brush out my hair. I actually brushed it all the way up into a high bun so I can position it because I have thick hair. So I brush it all the way up so I can position it, and it'll be where I need the ponytail to be sitting at while I get my hair ready. Alright. So then once you get your bun halfway to where you want it to be, let me adjust this camera so you can see. When you get your hair halfway to the where you would want it to be, see, I would have to go like that. Okay, and then this is just temporary because this isn't permanent ponytail holder. We're just gonna put that there. What is this under my eye? Okay. So for gel, we're gonna use the Echo Styler. What kind is this? It's the olive green kind. I think this has olive oil in it. Yes, it does. It's the olive oil one. And this was $2.99 at the beauty supply store. Real reasonable. I love this gel. It says maximum hold. It ain't no maximum hold. It's more of a lighter hold. I don't put that much in my hair for it to be maximum, so I don't know. Maybe that could be the reason why it's not maximum with me. But, oh, do not mind that. I think this is mascara. I was planning this mascara that I got. And I think I wiped my face or my eye or something and it came off. That's another thing. A whole another thing. Okay, now I take this brush. I think this is what kind of brush is this? I think this is just one of those regular brushes that you get at the beauty supply store. It might be a Goody hairbrush. I'm not sure, the name isn't on there, so I don't know if it got wiped off or if it just didn't have it on there. I'm just gonna brush our hair up. This is more of like a pulling brush, so it'll pull everything up. Okay, so this is the Organic Root Stimulator, or ORS Olive Oil Edge Control. So I use this on my edges and then lay them down, because I don't really do no fancy edges. Okay, so I just put it around my edges like so. Sometimes it gets a little, I don't know, tough, so I just warm it up in between my fingers and then just keep going along. Yeah, it got me looking like I got a black eye. Damn mascara. Gonna take that off my damn eyes while I look like I got a black eye or something. That's why people probably been looking at me crazy. Putting the back parts. Okay, so then I take this brush, and I believe this is a Goody brush. Yes, so you take this. I don't know what the names of these brushes are, but I mean, if you see one that looks similar, or if you want, you can screenshot a picture of the brushes so you'll know what to look for if you're looking for a specific brush. But this is like, to me, this is like a finishing brush, because the blue brush right here will leave those wide tracks in your hair. You see how it's like, well, you probably can't see, but it's like wide. And because these are more packed bristles, it gives you that smoothing effect, like as if nothing was, you know, everything gets pulled back and in place the right way. It looks normal. It's a real simple look. This is my look that I go to most of the time. Unless I do my little 2 ponytails and my 2 little braids or something, or if I'm trying to be fancy, I wear my clip-ins, which I love clip-ins, by the way. I like removable hair. Removable hair is the best. Removable hair, yeah, I can't get nothing that's sewed or tied down, because I like to take it off and go. So most of the time, I'm wearing my real hair, just because it's easier and it takes less time. So then, okay, I just take my little, I think this is by Scunchie. Is that how you say it? Scunchie or Goody? So just to clean them up, I'm gonna use this little I Love Edges brush. I love this little brush. And all this stuff you can find at either your local drugstore. Like, you don't have to go real far or nothing like that to get none of these products. That's what I like about them. It's because they're accessible and they're not super expensive. Brush this down. Just my edges. Ooh, they will not stay down for a sheet unless I use this. I use this edge control. It kind of does. Now I gotta tie it down. But before I tie it down, okay, let me see something, cause this is not cute. Like, mascara. see. And this, oh, let me see if I can how to manipulate my bun a little bit, because when I get ready to put it up, it usually start acting crazy. So I'm gonna pull it back out a little bit, make it a little kind of messy. And then that's how it ends up coming out, but I gotta tie it down, so let me tie it down. See, and it's already talking about, like, why would you come loose? This one loose strand just floating around. So I'm finna go and get my scarf, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I always do the back part first for some reason, but you can tie it however you would like to. But yeah, for the most part, everything that I use in my hair is very affordable. The only thing that might be a little pricey is, I believe, the Carol's Daughter hair oil. Their products are a little pricey, and I like using their products because when I was trying to grow my hair out, because it is relaxed, Carol's Daughter products were amazing, hands down. I love their products, and then I just kept the certain things that I usually had in my routine, which was the leave-in conditioner and the Pantene buttercream. I always use those. I've been using those for years now. And this Eco Styler gel, I've been using this for years. With the Edge Control, I kind of go back and forth between this one, Creme of Nature, and I think Mixed Chicks. Yeah, it's like a tan, little small round one. So yeah, that's what I use on my hair.
If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead, watch another video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new upload. Love you guys, and to all the faithful subscribers, thank you. Have a blessed one.